Hello everyone, welcome to my project for İzmir Sasalı Zoo Education Center. I hope you enjoy it. My aim in this project was to recreate the idea of a zoo. For that I designed an education center where people can get educated about wildlife, climate and natural issues. The Sasalı Zoo is located on a field where no city noise exists. It has a river near the entrance. First I figured out where my construction area will be and then I started using rectangles to create a plan. I think rectangles are such strong elements. I gave corners and edges by adding and subtracting rectangles to create some open spaces where people can get some fresh air. Cafe is designed near the river so that the visitors can enjoy the great view. It has a kitchen close to the exhibition in case any catering must be done. Lecture theater away from the animals' noises and windows are designed little so that the sun will not bother. Reception area has edges that leads visitors directly to the entrance. Staff offices and meeting rooms near the entrance so that businessmen should not walk for. It has a smoking area for them. Exhibition area is at the center, close to the cafe, so that people can rest after visiting the exhibition. Multimedia room has no windows, so no light and sound disturb. This is my ground floor plan. The entrance has a door made out of glass. The entrance is pushed a little bit to the inside, so it leads visitors to the gate. The center of the facility is empty for getting fresh air and sunlight properly. Too much enclosure would make the visitors tired, so I left it empty to let them breathe after visiting the block. The accommodation area is upstairs. People can get there by the elevators at the entrance. It is a private area, so not everyone can reach there. The facades of the building is having the morning sun and the afternoon sun. Noon sun is not facing window facade. I hope I was able to build something that includes nature, wildlife and modern architecture on the same time. That was my plan for the İzmir Sasalı Zoo and I hope you really enjoyed it. Let me show you the video render that I created for this project by using some materials such as concrete, wood and glass.